This is DJI Air 3 and today I'll show how you can open the storage in this drone. So it is a very simple thing to do. You will need to launch the camera view of the DJI Fly app. Then here below the shutter button, tap at the icon here, and here's your storage, which allows you to see all media that you have created, should it be photos or videos, or you can also see only photos, only videos, only favorites, saved. What else you can do? You can open the albums here. Well, what else? Let's see. You can batch select and delete media files as you please. And well, that'll be more or less it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.